Hello and welcome back. In this video I've got a simple unboxing of the Apple Pencil Pro that I'll be using with my iPad Pro M4 that I recently got. So let's get to it. Got the front of the Apple Pencil Pro. We've just got Apple Pencil Pro on that side, nothing on that one, Apple Pencil Pro on that side again, and nothing again. On the back, just some information and then a pull tab to get into it. Nothing really interesting there, so let's open it up. Slide it out. There we go. Pop the documentation pack out and see what we get. And it's just a quick start guide and how to replace the nib. And that's it. Moving on to the pencil. Just pop it out of the box. Just comes with this paper sleeve. With the Apple Pencil Pro logo at the top. Grey tip, a flat edge on one side and then the rest of it's rounded. Then right at the top in some light grey text we've just got some compliancy marks and do not chuck in the bin. So I'll just connect it to iPad and that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing of the Apple Pencil Pro. I'll do a review of it when I put a review together for the iPad Pro M4, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.